Welcome to the next problem. In this problem, the question is asked in a way that in what proportion must a grocer mix rice at rupees 1.2 rupees per kg and rupees 1.44 per kg. It means two types of rice he has, and how to mix these two types of rice with these rates so that the mixture's price becomes 1.26 per kg. This is the question. He wants a mixture of two types of rice so that the price of the mixture becomes 1.26 rupees per kg. So in this problem we have to arrange the data, and then we will proceed further. So we write first rice one type. Okay, its price is price per kg. Its price is 1.20 rupees. Okay, and suppose that the grocer has this type of rice. He has a weight of y kgs. Okay, so what will be the price of this y kgs he has? We have to multiply this weight with the price of 1 kg. In this way we will get the price of this total weight. Okay, the price of rice with grocer, it will become 1.20 y. Okay, the rice type 2, its price per kg has been given as 1.44 rupees per kg, and suppose that he has z kilograms of that type of rice type 2. So again we can calculate the price for that weight by multiplying it with the price of the 1 kg. So the price of that weight he has will become 1.44 z. Now comes mixture's price per kg. He wants 1.26 rupees. Okay, and suppose that if he has two types of rice in these weights, then the mixture will be y plus z kgs. So if he wants 1 kg of mixture as of rupees 1.26, then total weight price we can calculate again 1.26 y plus z. So now we can make an equation here. Here the equation can be written as in words price of mixture, I will write shortly, will be equal to price of rice 1 plus price of rice 2. Okay, here the price of the mixture we calculated here we write this here 1.26 and y plus z, and here the price of rice one type is 1.20 y, and here we put plus, the price of rice 2 is 1.44 z. Okay, now we can do one thing here. We can remove these points. We write just 126 and y plus z. Under 126 we write 100, because if we want to remove this point, in place of point we write 1, and then we put zeros equal to number of digits. There are two digits, 2 and 6, so we put 2 zeros here. This is the way, this is the method of removing the point. Here again we can write 120, and under this we will write, under the point we will write 1 and 1 2, so 2 zeros here, and this y here. Okay, here again 144, we write 1 in place of point, and then 2 digits ahead, so we write 2 zeros and we put z. Again we can write it here like this, 126 y plus z, and we can write this 100 below, and then we can take LCM here. We write 101 only, one time only, because this is the LCM, and then upper terms will become 120y plus 144z. How we doing this? We divide this LCM with this 100. 100 divided by 100 is equal to 1, and then we get 1 is multiplied with the term above, 120y, then it becomes here. The same way we divide this LCM with this 100, we get 1, and then 1 is multiplied with 144z, and then we get 144z here. Now on the both sides of the equal sign there is 100 below. We can cancel the same terms, then we get 126 y plus z and equal to 120y plus 144z. Here 126 will multiply with each of the term inside the bracket. We get 126y plus 126z equal to, we write these terms as they are, 120y and 144z. Okay, now we shift the terms of z one side and the terms of y on the other side. We shift this term other side and this term other side. We get 126y. This term will come now here, it will become negative because sign changes when it moves other side of the equal sign. 120y. The same way here we write first 144z, and this term goes there, it will change its sign now, it will become negative 126z. This is the rule of the algebra. When the terms move on other side of the equal sign, they change their signs. Okay, now 126 minus 120y, we get 6 y's here. Okay, here 144z and minus 126z, we get 18z. So we can cancel 6 1 the 6 and 6 3 the 18. So we get 1y equal to 3z. From there we get 1 over 3 equal to z over y. We move this 3 under the 1 and this term under the z, because these terms are multiplying. When we shift these terms other side, they will divide, they will go below. The same way 3 is here, it is multiplying here with the z. When we move this 3 to other side of the equal sign, it will be divided with 1. Okay, so from there we can see that mixture, the ratio of the two types of rice here is z over y is equal to 1 over 3. So we can write z ratio y is equal to 1 ratio 3. So this is the answer to the problem. Two types of the rices should be mixed in the ratio 1 and 3. Friends, in the end I will say to you that if you like this work, if you liking my efforts, then you should encourage me, and I will request you to just kindly subscribe to my channel. In this way I will be happy that you appreciated my efforts, and I will come with more videos. So see you in the next video. Thank you.